Hello, welcome to the Agribusiness News. My name is Rodrigo Ferreira, international trader, and here's we connect the business globally. Today we talk about soybean exports remain a strong and providing important support to prices in the Brazilian market. The Brazilian soybean market started October with the results on September trade balance and consequently with good numbers for soybean exports. According to data from SESEX, Secretariat of Foreign Trade, released this Friday 1st, the shipments of oil seeds in the last month were 4.83 million tons, a volume greater than in September of 2020, when there were 4.26 million. Great volume, the value per ton of Brazilian soybeans also increased by 39.2% year on year from 365.40 cents of USA dollars to 580.80 cents of USA dollars. For market analysts, Luis Fernando Gutierrez from Safras and Mercado, September was a good month from the Brazilian export, confirming expectations from the total to be higher than 2020. The demand still exists. We have an export basket to meet. For October, we already have 2.5 million tons already registered for shipment, which was also higher than last year and what we are expecting from this year. And how we have more soy now in 2021, the expectation is to have more export in the last 3 months of the year than we had in the last 3 months of the last year, he explains. This strength in exports, according to the specialist, goes along with that was actually being projected from this year. The month that starts today could reach 3 million tons and 2021 could still close with 86 million tons shipped. And Gutierrez adds that this demand that Brazil still has to meet is, for the most part, with deals already done, but with room for new ones to happen. Is it clear that China has practically all its eyes on the US, but we still have a purchase to deliver to them, and that we will deliver in the coming month until the end of the year. We can still do some business, but our soybeans are now more expensive than the American one, he says. Still this possible new business and then strong domestic demand in the second half help to maintain still high prices in the Brazilian market. This week, the reference felt the pressure of the retreat of the futures in Chicago of more than 2%, and the dollar, however, remained at very high levels. Although Brazil will have a higher stock than last year, they will now grow as much as the premium are still firm. Exports are holding up domestic market price. The fight between external and internal market will be less this year, but we will have a demand to meet. This does not want prices continue rising, but I think there is no room for them to fall much until to the end of the year. Details of the analyst. And so depend on the Chicago and the exchange rates accounting from the good demand from the Brazilian soybeans. Soybean prices on the Brazilian market should have good times between October and September. The text was from Carla Mendes and the source agricultural news. My name is Rodrigo Ferreira, international trade and broker from Emax Trade, and here we connect the business globally. So if you are interested to make some business with real sellers in Brazil, contact us because we make a compliance and the commercial department connecting the real buyers and the seller for a good deals. Thank you so much and I hope to see you next time.